everybody, it's Chris Palmer, and today I'm going to give you a handcrafted simple fix. This is going to help your home when you're in a pinch. You ever have a door that when you go to close it, oh, and the kids just keep slamming it. It's like, but the door doesn't close, Daddy, I couldn't close it. You know what the problem is, folks? It's probably the hinge. Inspecting the hinge with a screwdriver. Now, if we take a look at this one, watch this. Pay attention right here, folks. See this play? See that play in the hinge there, folks? You don't want play in your hinge. Playing in the hinge is a bad thing. What we need to do is try and tighten it with the screwdriver first. 9 times out of 10, that's probably the easiest fix. So let's see what happens when we tighten these screws. Oh, that one's going in. It's biting. That's doing good. What's this one gonna do? Uh-oh. That one just keeps turning. That one's okay. Oh, and there's another one. See that, folks? That's called a strip screw. Now, how do we fix those? Do we get those giant long screws now? Because let me show you something. That's how long the screw is that's holding your hinge on. Okay? Not very long. We definitely want to add a length to that. But you know what the other simple fix is too? If you don't have screws kicking around your house to put a longer screw in, and you're worried about the hole being too loose, well, if the hole's too loose, folks, we need to put something else in the hole. Okay? Voila! You should have these at home. Everybody should have these at home. These, my friends, are toothpicks. Something crazy simple. Now, what am I gonna do with that toothpick? Oh, I imagine you could think about it right now. It's pretty simple, right? We're gonna put it in the hole. Take your toothpick, put it in the hole. I take 2 toothpicks, I jam it in the hole, I break them off. Take the ends of the other toothpicks, put them in the hole, I break them off. The hole is clogged with toothpicks. Take a look. Something magical is about to happen, folks. Something magical. Watch this. I take my screw, I drive it right back in there. Hand tighten, folks. This is another thing I want to make sure everybody's doing at home. Don't go grabbing your impact drivers and hanging your doors. You're going to over torque the screw. Look at this. That has full bite. Okay? We had another one up here that was spinning. We'll do the same thing. Now, the only other thing I can advise, if this method is not holding for you and it's still spinning and it doesn't grab enough, put your toothpicks in and we're gonna use glue. Let me show you how to do that one. So now, folks, this is the alternative method. If the toothpick goes in and it doesn't grab enough for you, then you're gonna grab some glue. If you don't have time for wood glue to dry, you obviously wanna hurry things up, get a super glue like this. Now, these are my AC glues. I have Miter Pel, you have AK Fix, AC Fix, whatever you wanna call this stuff. And there's other ones like, I don't know, Miter Bond? I don't know. Regardless, check it out. Take the glue. Bloop. Okay, we got a dot. Let me get a toothpick. We'll do 2. Roll the toothpick in the glue. Okay, it's coated. Don't sniff it. Come over to your hole. Take the gluey end. Stick it in the hole. Break it off, okay? There's lots of glue in there, so you can jab another little tip in, break it off. Now, the way this glue works, it activates and it hardens in 10 seconds once you add the spray. So this is the accelerator. So let's count to 10.
10 seconds later.
All right, it's been 10 seconds, folks. We'll cut out. And now, we're gonna enter the screw into the hole. Full bite. Full bite, folks. Urgh. You feel it? Do you feel it? Checking all the other screws in the door. These ones were also loose. They have good bite. Good bite, okay? Now, what's gonna happen, folks? What's gonna happen? It's miraculous. Toothpicks, glue, and a screwdriver. What can you do, folks? Oh my God, would you look at that, kids? The door works. You don't have to slam it no more. Well, folks, that's another handcrafted simple fix.